Hello, lovely kids. Welcome to another exciting and interesting lesson with Mr. Olio. I hope you learned a lot from the previous lessons. In today's lesson, you will be learning the topic titled Wastes and Waste Disposal. I'll come again, Waste and Waste Disposal. Now, what is waste? Waste is a product of human activities that does not have immediate usefulness to man. Examples of wastes produced from homes, offices, industries are piece of paper, broken bottles, pure water nylon, empty cans. I'll come again. Piece of paper, broken bottles, pure water nylon, empty cans. So these are some examples of waste products. Now, types of waste. Waste are grouped into two, which are 1. Solid waste, 2. Liquid waste. I'll come again. Solid waste and liquid waste. Next, solid waste. There are wanted solid materials that are produced from human activities. Another name for solid waste is refuse. I'll come again. Another name for solid waste is refuse. So, solid wastes are grouped into two. They are further grouped into two, which are combustible waste, B. Non-combustible waste. I'll come again. Combustible waste and non-combustibles. What are combustible wastes? These are materials that can easily burn in fire. Combustibles are materials that can easily burn in fire. Examples are cartons, waste papers, plastics, waste pillows. So these are examples of combustible waste. Next, non-combustible wastes. They are materials that cannot easily burn in fire. They are materials that cannot easily burn in fire. Examples are metals, iron furnitures, glass, bottles, needles. These materials cannot easily burn in fire. Next is the second type of waste, which is liquid waste. These are wastes that are from household and factories. Liquid waste is also called sewage. I'll come again. Liquid waste is also called sewage. Human waste from household and industry or runoff water are examples of liquid waste. So these are some pictures showing sewage which are taken from soakaways and factories. Next, waste disposal. Waste disposal are the various methods that humans use to get rid of waste. For solid waste or refuse, the following methods are used. Some methods are used to dispose solid waste and also some methods are used to dispose liquid waste. But firstly, you will learn about the method of disposing solid waste. 1. Open dump. 2. Waste pit. 3. Dumping at rivers or sea. 4. Pig feeding. 5. Land reclamation. 6. Incineration. 7. Pulverization. I'll come again. Open dump, waste pit, dumping at rivers or sea, pig feeding, land reclamation, incineration, and pulverization. Now, what's open dump? Open dump is a selected place where waste of different kinds are dumped using a wheelbarrow, trucks, or motor vehicle. A place is selected, an open field or an open space land is selected where waste are taken from homes, offices, and industry and dumped in that place. 2. Land reclamation. This is whereby wastes are deposited in waterlogged or marshy area to claim such land. So the marshy area or logged area is filled with some dirt to reclaim the land for man used. 3. Incineration. Incineration involves a special machine to burn off refuse at a high temperature. You can see the machine. It's used to burn refuse at a high temperature. So these are used in modern countries or civilized countries. Next, pulverization. This involves grinding of waste in powder. And this method is used in transforming waste to fertilizer. I'll come again. This method is used to transform waste to fertilizer. So these are some various ways of disposing solid waste. Next, the following method below are used for disposing liquid or sewage waste. 1. Burial waste. 2. Use latrines. 3. Use sockaway pit. 4. Dilution method. 5. Irrigation method. 6. Sewage farmers. These are some various ways of disposing what? Liquid waste. Wow, super kid. It's been a fun learning process so far. Knowing what waste is, knowing the various methods of disposing solid waste and liquid waste. See you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye.